And the grilled food's almost done. I'm just gonna take the fork and check on the corn on the cob. Look at the corn on the cob. It looks great, right? Absolute goodness. Gonna take the other piece of corn and place it on the plate, as well as that piece of corn and that piece of corn, until all the corn is on the plate and off of the grill. Absolute goodness. But what about the peppers? The red pepper, the yellow pepper, and don't forget about the red pepper and the yellow pepper and the red pepper. Absolute goodness. Broccoli, mushrooms. Get those. I know you're hungry. You want them. You want the peppers. You want the broccoli. Put them on the plate. Grab that last mushroom. Doesn't it look good? Oh man. The pieces of pork on the grill. Chops. Juicy pork chops. Make a pork chop sandwich. That tastes good, right? Pork in between bread with lettuce and ketchup. Absolute goodness. Put a little bit of mustard on. Tasty mustard. Ketchup on the sandwich. Throw a mushroom on there. Portobello. And close the bun. You have a pork sandwich. And mushrooms and vegetables and broccoli. And corn. 4 corns on the cob. Put that next to the pork bun. And add a yellow pepper. Doesn't it look good? Absolute goodness, if you ask me. Absolute goodness.